So you have earned your CPA, CFA, ACCA or FRM certification. You have put in the work, mastered global standards, and you are ready to break into the Big Four, Deloitte, EY, PwC, KPMG. Start applying to the Big Fours. You are finally in the game, but here is what nobody tells you. Here is the hard truth. Your certification is a powerful launchpad. It gets you noticed, gets you shortlisted, and proves you are serious. But what gets you hired and promoted is what you bring beyond the certificate. Let's talk about the top 3 real-world skills Big Four firms demand but rarely spell out. Skill number 1, communication. The superpower you didn't know you needed. You thought accounting was all about Excel sheets and ledgers, right? Wrong. In Big Four firms, you often need the bridge between data and decision making. Whether it's presenting audit findings to a client or explaining financial risks in a layman terms, your ability to communicate clearly and confidently is everything. Let's take an example. Imagine you are in EY and you have spotted a revenue recognition error during an audit. Now, your job isn't just to report it, it's to explain it to the CFO, who probably doesn't want to hear it. Can you deliver that message with clarity, calmness, and confidence? If yes, you have just earned a fan in the leadership. Tip: practice storytelling with numbers. Try explaining your last work project to a friend who is not from finance. If they understand it, you are good. Skill number 2, adaptability. Because things change and they change fast. Working at a Big Four firm is like being in a never-ending episode of Shark Tank. New clients, new industries, new tools, new regulations. You need to learn them on the fly. Let's take a real example. You might start your week reviewing tax filings for a retail client. By Thursday, you are helping a fintech startup navigate cross-border compliances. And Monday, surprise, you are on an ESG audit. Big Four firms love people who can say, okay, I don't know this yet, but I'll figure it out. Tip: so this in interviews with real stories. Like last year, I had to learn Power BI in 3 days to meet a client deadline. I stayed late, watched tutorials, and delivered a dashboard that impressed the whole team. Skill number 3, collaboration. Teamwork beats genius. At Big Four firms, you are never a lone wolf. You are in teams, you are working with tax experts, auditors, consultants, even tech folks. Your ability to listen, ask for help, share credit, and give feedback makes you not just a good employee, but a great teammate. Another real example. PwC literally has internal metrics for how well you collaborate on cross-functional teams, and Deloitte has team fit scores for performance reviews. It's not just fluff, it's career impacting. On your resume and in interviews, highlight moments where you helped someone else succeed, not just your own wins. For example, I helped onboard 2 new interns and trained them on our client dashboard, which helped cut reporting time by 30%. So here's the truth about Big Four hiring. Your certification opens the door, but it's your communication, adaptability, and team spirit that keeps you in the room. So if you are prepping for interviews with the Big Four, think beyond the technicals. Craft stories around these 3 skills, practice them. Hit like if this helped you, subscribe for more career boosting content. Let's make these Big Four dreams happen. You have got this.